Now, more than ever, students are struggling to connect with future employers. This lack of connection results in lost employment opportunities and higher rates of college graduate unemployment or underemployment, which are at their highest level in years. And yet many college graduates are flourishing. They are growing successful careers directly out of college, even in the midst of these tumultuous times. So what allows some students to thrive while others struggle just to find a job? The simple answer is messaging. While there may be several factors driving these difficult conditions in the marketplace, the most glaring is the lack of clear messaging. We just don't understand what your students are trying to communicate. Their messages lack clarity, focus, and fail to highlight just how employable they are. They simply don't know what to say or how to say it. When employers don't understand their message, they don't ask them to clarify or restate it. They just move on to the next candidate. Your student's message gets lost, and so is the opportunity to connect with potential employers successfully. But that doesn't have to be this way. I can help your students overcome the issues they are having with their messages because I'm Glenn Rudin, the Message Master. I can help your students create, clarify, coordinate, and crystallize their messages in ways that will be easy to deliver and, more importantly, simple for their potential employers to understand and comprehend. Their potential employers will know instantly why they need to bring your students on board with their companies. Just imagine a scenario where your students are now being considered top candidates simply because their messages are now so crystal clear and compelling that potential employers just can't ignore them. I can help students from large and small universities with their messaging via my Would You Hire Yourself Keynotes and Workshops.